quite well. In my last class, I have given you the divisibility rule, which is very, very important for next two exercises, and also it will help you in many ways in different type of exam also. Whether a particular number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically, 7 rule is not anywhere. I have given it. You will try to follow it. It will help you a lot whether a given number is divisible by 7 or not. Try to remember the steps. You can solve it. Okay. Till 11, I have given you the notes, and 12, 13, 14, I have just simply discussed. Okay. Now I am going to start the exercise 16.1 based on this playing with number. Okay. And you try to copy it. Now the first question of this chapter, that's exercise, question number 1, we have to 3a plus 25 should be added. I am getting the result of 2b. Now question is that how much or what will be the value of a and b? So in case of addition, remember, first of all you listen. In case of addition, when any one, these two are missing, then what to do? Whatever, it may be this one or this one. Any one may be missing. So whatever you have, that number you have to subtract from the result. You have to subtract. That is 5 subtract from 2. 2 means 12. 5 subtract from 2, it will be what? 7. So here it will be 7. You have a carry. Now this carry will be added to what? Here only. So 3, 1 plus 2, 3. Or you can write down the carry over here. Now we add it. The 6. B will be what? B will be 6. Clear? So after that, what we will write down? Therefore, A should be equals to 7 and B should be equals to 6. Have you understood or not? Tell me. So in case of addition, if these two places are missing, then whatever the place is given, you have to subtract from the result. Okay, carry will be shifted to next number. And then whatever it is after adding you are getting, if this one is missing, the result is missing, means you have to add. This to one add whatever is coming this. So after that I am getting A should be equal to 7, B should be equal to 6. Got it? Now next one, 2. 4A plus 98 should be equals to what? So that I will get 3BC. Okay? A, B, C will be what? Now again I told you, if this one is missing, that means 8 we have to subtract from 13. 3 means 13. What will be the result? When we subtract 8 from the 13, result is 5. We have a carry. Okay. Now carry will be shifted to here. Now adding, how much we are getting? 14. 14 means 4 is here and 1 is here. So that means A is equals to 5, B is equals to 4, C is equals to 1. Definitely this type of question will come in exam, but this chapter is not coming in your half-yearly exam. Obviously it will cover in either periodic test 2 or annual exam. But you have to know the step. This is the technique in case of addition. If any of the place is missing, then whatever it is given, the given number should be subtracted from the result. Okay? And in this way you have to complete the figure. Clear? Now, time to time you will complete your work. I am running it. Three. 3 It is a case of multiplication. 1a multiplied by a should be what? So that I am getting a 9. What is a stands for? But tell me, which number when multiplied by itself getting the same digit? Where is the condition arises? Say a is 1. 1 into 1, 1. So here 1, 1, 1. Satisfying. But 1 multiplied by 1 not equals to 9. Got the idea? So then what would be my 1? Clear? That you have to find out. So 1 should be another. Next case what? If I take 5, then here also be 5. What number we take, that is your mind calculation. There is no such rule कि A होने से आपको 5 लेना है or 3 लेना है, whatever it is. No, that is your mind calculation. Whatever the value is taking, that value should satisfy the entire question. Understood? So now if A is 5, then 5 5s are 25. So it is satisfying. Clear? But 5 into 1, 5 plus 2, 7. But I have 9. So this is also not satisfying. The next case will be what? Take A is equal to 6. Then 6, 6. 6, 6 are 36. Again 6. So 6, 6, 6. 36. 6 carry how much? Carry is 3. So 6, 1 ja 6 plus carry 3, 9. So that means A equals to 6 is satisfying the condition. Understood? Therefore answer A equals to 6. Got it? Very interesting question. Playing with numbers. We are playing with numbers. Now next. I am rubbing it. I think you have written this part. Now next question 4. So AB is such a digit when 37 added with it plus answer will be A and here 65. That means what? A should be what and this should be what? Now tell me again, which one is missing? This one and this one, again it is missing. And also whatever the A will be here, same A will be here also. So we can go little backside. So now if it is 3, then 3 subtract from the result is 3. So A is 3. So if it is 3, then what will be this? 3 subtract from 13. Okay? 3 means 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is 6. So if B is equal to 6, 6 plus this equals to 13. 13 3. If it is 3 is there, so still it is not matching. So carry is there. Carry should be 1 more. So take it carry 1. So A should be what here? So now let A equals to B equals to 5. If I consider B equals to 5, so 7 plus 5 is equal to how much? 7 plus 5 is equal to 2. That means here 2, here also A equals to 2. Now you add 5 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5, carry over 1, so 6. So that means A equals to 2 and B equals to 5. Understood or not? You have to take, imagine one number B's value. So B, if it is 5, then 5 plus 7 is 12. 12. Carry 1. 1. Then what is the answer? 3 plus 1. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 subtracted from 6, 2. 2. So A stand for 2, B stand for 5. Okay. Next is 5. A, B, both are missing, multiplied by 3. Answer is given. Answer is C, A, B. So what should be the value of ABC? What should be the value of ABC? You have to find out. Now, if I consider B equals to what? Multiply. B equals to 0. So then what will happen? Minimum number. You have to always think from the minimum number. If B equals to 0, so 0 into 3 is 0. So B and B is repeating. And now, what about CA? A should be the same. So if A is equal to 5, so then 3 5s are 15. 1, C is equal to 1 and A is equal to 5. Then again it is meeting. So let B is equal to 0. So then A is also 0 and let this one is the 5. 3 5s are 15. So 15, 5 and 1. So that means A equals to 5, B equals to 0, C equals to 1. This is your answer. Got it? You have to imagine the number and to test. It may not fit, but you have to try. If you take the one digit and try to complete the other part. If it is fulfilling all conditions, then that is the answer. Clear? I am clearing this one. Now, question number 6. Question number 6. A, B, two numbers multiplied by 5, and they have given the answer B, A, C. What will be the ABC? Same way. You have to imagine one number B. When B multiplied by 5, answer should be the B. So what should be the B? Same way, if I consider 5, if I consider B is equal to 0, 0 multiplied by 5 is 0. Now 5 into how much? It will be this. If A is equal to 3, so 5 3s are 15, 1 matching. So if I consider B equals to 0, B equals to 0, so it will also be 0. Now and A equals to 3, so 5 3s are 15, 5. A should be what? A should be 5. Then it will be 5 5s are 25. A should be equals to 5, not 3. 3 से matching नहीं हो रहा है. Same digit will repeat. Okay? A should, if A is equal to 5, 5 5s are 25. So here also 5. And now this one is the 2. I have considered B is equal to 0. Always think from the minimum number. So 5 into 0, 0, B 0. Okay. Now if I consider A is equal to 5, 5 5s are 25. The A remains same, 5, and the C will be the 2. So now, therefore, A equals to 5, B equals to 0, C equals to 2. This is your final answer. Clear? Next is next number 7. 7 is A and B are the two digits multiplied by 6. Multiplied by 6, and they are getting answer B, B, B. So what should be AB? you have to find out. How? देखो 6 multiplies such a number so that whatever b is there, again b will come back. Okay, then what should be our number? You have to locate that number. You have to find out what way should be the b. If b is what? 4. So 4 6 are b is 1. Suppose b is 1. How to proceed? b is 1. So 6 1 ja 6, not 1. Whatever b will be there, after multiplying same digit will come back. So b is equal to 1 is not good. Then if b is 2, 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. If b is 2, so this is matching. Now b is 2, and a should be what? What number if you multiply a? I am getting bb. Now if I b is 12, carry 1. Okay? Now what should be the a, so that after multiplying I am getting bb. So in that way, if I consider b is equal to 4, ठीक है? तो 4 6 are 24, carry is 2, and if I consider b is equal to 7, so 7 6 are 42 plus 2 44, so it is 4. So that means what happened? Therefore a should be equals to a is equals to 7 and b should be equals to 4. You have to fulfill all the conditions. Okay, if I consider 4, we will start from 1. So 4 6 are 24. 4, the 4 and 4 coming back, carry 2, then later. Now 6 7 ja, if a is equal to 7, 6 7 ja 42 plus 2 44, 4. So b is 4 in 3 places. 4 4 4 4. So a equals to 5 7, b equals to 4. Clear? Now next is, at home you have to make a timetable, and every day at least at home, no school is there, so at least 2 hours will set for maths. If you are not practicing maths, so don't depend on the textbook question only. That pattern I will give you, a little bit change will be there. Until and unless you practice a lot at home, it will be very difficult for you. Clear? So now 8 number question is what? A1 multiplied by B1B, what should be? If I add it will be 0B. What will be AB? B plus 1. So B should be what? So that it comes to 0. At least minimum 10, 9. 9 plus 1 is 10, 0. And 1 will be carried forwarded. And now 0 is there. The 1 and 1. Okay? So we cannot write down this one. Clear? So if b is equal to 9, if I consider, so 9 plus 1 10, 0, carry 1, and a should be what? So that it comes to this 2 already is there. 1 plus 1 2. Okay, b considered, I consider b as what? 9. So 2 minus 9 is 7. So a should be 7. Got it? Listen. B is, I consider 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 is there, carry is there. And you have these 2 number. Okay? This 2 number 2. So 2, B already have taken 9. So 9 minus 2 is 7. The 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9, B will be 9. So here also B will be 9. So that means A equals to 7, B equals to 9. So you have to practice a lot at home. Whenever you getting time, please do some work, constructive work. 1 or 2 days is not, you have already crossed 7 months. Okay? 7 months you have crossed. So now then, what is the effect of the 7 months? You have to calculate it. Okay? You cannot pass your time this way. You have to practice a lot. This is the only way to learn. No alternative. Now next question is 3 digit 2A B. If we like to add A B 1, so then answer also given B. Answer is B 1 8. What should be the answer? You know, I told you in this place, in case of addition, if it is missing, then this result subtract from here. Okay, so 1 subtract from 8. 8 is greater, so that 18, no need to convert into 18. So it will be 7. So it is matching. Now B already have taken what? 7. So it will be 7 only here also. So B you have no. So 7, this one is 11. So 11 minus 7 is 4. A will be equals to 4. Clear? Now A already I have considered 4. So it will also A will be 4. 4 plus 2, what? 6, carry 1 is there. 1. So 7. So B is coming 7 here also. So B 7, 7, 7. A is 4, 4. This, that means A equals to 4, B equals to 7. Clear? So in revision, I will start from linear equation. So many students are requesting, let's see आप लोग का क्या प्रॉब्लम हुआ लिनियर इक्वेशन में, आई डोंट नो. I have given 2-3 videos on linear equation. Still, you are not able to. Maximum students, sir, I'm not able to solve problems. Sir. Okay, you have to complete it. Clear? Now, last one is what? 1, 2A plus 6A B. When you add, maximum case add is there, A 0 9. What should be? You just think what should be the A B. Okay. What should be AB? Now, again, you have to consider A and B both are missing. We consider A equals to 8. You have considered 8. Then I told you when this 2 place is missing, you have to subtract from here. 8 subtract from 9. It will be what? 1. Okay. 8 already you have considered. 8. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 0 carry 1, and then 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, here also 8. So therefore A should be equals to 8, B should be equals to 1. Clear? Any problem in this exercise? You can go through the different type of books. Some more patterns is given, multiplication and addition. So you have to complete it. Clear? Now I am coming back to exercise 2. Exercise 2. So one Google Meet में एक प्रॉब्लम होगा, जैसे कि now I am uploading the video. So if you at any place you are not able to write or understand, so then you can replay it. But in Google Play is the live telecast. You cannot replay. So you have to concentrate your mind nicely so that whatever I am saying, I am writing time to time. You can understand and write both. I will give some space. Okay, little time gap will be there to note down the content, but not all the time. When it is very easy, you have to complete it fast. Okay. Now, on the basis of the divisibility rule, you have to apply in exercise 2 that all divisibility rules, so especially 3-2 rules is very important, in 5 very important. On that basis, you have to proceed. Exercise 16.2. I am starting exercise 16.2, question number 1. So now 21y5 is a multiple of 9. ठीक है? What is y? What is y? That means you have to find out what will be the y. First of all, when I said 9, what is the rule of 9? Rule of 9 means if I add all the numbers and that sum, digital sum is a table of 9, multiple of 9 or 0. Okay, then I can say yes, it is a multiple of 9, and what will be that particular digit. For this, you see, you have to consider from starting from 0. Okay, now 2, 1, 3, 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5, 8. So y should be how much? So that it comes to table of 9. So digital sum is what? Digital sum is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 5, that is equals to 8. Next multiple of 9. Next multiple of 9 is 9. 8 के बाद 9 ही आता है. So to make it 9, how much we have to add with 8? 1. That means y should be how much? So y's value will start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One digit 9. So that it comes to the it follows the rule of 9. So I have added all the digits except y. It is coming 8. Now we have to make it what? 9. Table of 9 is the 9. Okay. So to make it a 9, minimum number is 1 is required. Therefore y will be equals to, minimum table is 9. 9 minus 1 equals to 1. So therefore 2, 1, 1, 5 is a multiple of 9. You can test it. 9, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is a multiple of 9. But it is divisible. That means if you divide 2, 1, 1, 5 by 9, it will divide the number completely. Okay, no problem. This way, in all cases, we have to apply the rules. Next, number 2. Number 2. 31 y or z. It is z. In this case, it is z. Z 5 is a multiple of 9. Again, multiple of 9. Okay. What is Z? What is Z? Z कितने होगा? So same way, digital sum equals to what? 3 plus 1 plus 5 equals to 9. So 9 is a multiple of 9. 9 is a multiple of 9. 9 is a multiple, first multiple of 9. So always you have to take the minimum number so that it follows the rule. Okay. So therefore Z equals to 9 minus 9. 9 is a multiple and I have also multiple. Then what will be the minimum number? 0. So if I write down, if I replace the Z by writing 0, whatever the number is framed, that number is completely divisible by 9. Therefore required number is 3105. आप इसको डिवाइड करो बाहर में 9 से, it will divide completely. Okay. So now next question number 3. Question number 3. So practice make the man perfect. If you practice a lot, so then you can cover it. Okay. Now coming to question number 3. Only few questions are there. 24x is a multiple of 3. 24x is a multiple of 3. Okay. What is the value of x? What is x? Same. So now, say what is the divisibility rule of 3? If I add all the digits, if the digital sum is a table of 3 or multiple of 3, then only it is divisible by 3. And then we have to replace x by such a number which will be the nearest multiple of the 3. So digital sum okay, 2 4 is equal to 6. What is 6 is a multiple of 3. So how much minimum number is required? 6 is the multiple of 6. That means what? The difference that if I add that number, okay, minimum number should be what, so that it follows the multiple of this. Therefore, what is the x equals to already you have 6 and multiple 6 itself a multiple of 6. The minimum number is 0. Therefore, 2 4 6 is a multiple of 3. You can divide it outside. You can see it is dividing exactly. Okay. The last question. Last question also is a divisibility rule. You have to follow the divisibility rule of 3. Clear? So now question 4. Question 4. 31 Z5 is a what? A multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. What might be the values of Z? What might be the value of Z? So here, what to do? Not only one answer, what will be the set of answer we have to find out. So now digital sum, same procedure, digital sum equals to 3 plus 1 plus 5. It is coming what? 5, 9. Okay. So that means 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. So therefore, it already multiple of 3, minimum value of z is equal to 9 minus 9. The digital sum is 9 and 9 itself a value multiple of 9. So minimum number is 0. So minimum number is 0. Then others number after 0, which is the next multiple of 3? That is 3. Next multiple 6. Next multiple 9. So what should I write here? Z. The 0 z may be 0, maybe 3, maybe 6, maybe 9. Then whatever the number is framed, that will be exactly divisible by 3. Okay. So now here I am writing this part. So here might be the value, means not only one value, what will be the possible value of one digit. So your answer should be one digit, not more than, because only one digit, one place is missing. So therefore, minimum value is 0. Therefore, the digit value of z is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of z may be first value is 0, second value 3, still it will be divisible by 3, next value 6, still it will be divisible by 3, next value is 9, it is divisible by 9. Therefore, what? The possible number may be what? 3105, 3135, 3165, 3195. These are the set of numbers. Okay. So I have finished whatever the target given to me till September. I have covered your syllabus. Only geometrical part is left. So I am not doing geometrical part right now. After half yearly exam I will do it, because I am not giving it this chapter. Geometrical construction is in half yearly exam. It is very difficult online mode. You cannot perform any work. So when it will be in a pen paper test, I definitely will give you, or periodic test 1 or class test. I will conduct class test on geometrical part. Okay, that chapter I will cover it. I will do on the board, but during exam you cannot show in that system, that geometrical part. So better that I should start revisions. Then Monday onward, I will be revising your chapter, and first division will be linear equation in one variable. And first day what I told, at 9:50 you have to log in, and before that I will give you that code, meeting code I will give you. You have to log in 8:50, and 8:50 to 9:50. Whatever the number of students will be able to log in, so that number will be participating. After 9 o'clock I will not allow to join. Okay, and for this your mobile should be full charged and network should be good. Okay, then today is no more. Bye bye students.